and we've got a duplicate. Okay. Of these, they're non-slow rising. Then we've got these sprinkles and non-slow rising. I mean chocolate syrup. Then we've got the dog handbag thing. Got a duplicate of these. Some fish. Got some macaroons or pavlovas. Duplicate. Got a duplicate of these cake things. Got a couple of some pandas. This is the male. This is the female of the bow. They're probably one of my favourites. This one's an owl. They're really cool.
That wasn't your lead in it, was it? That wasn't your lead in it. No, it's not.
And then I've got this one, which has a green version. Then we got onto the ultra rares. So we got the ultra rare fluffy bread, which comes in pink, blue, and orange. I've got the orange and the blue. The blue one's really slow rising. Then 2 out of 6 ultra rares. And there's also a pink one of these puppy prints. They just come with also these thingies. I hope to do some more squishy shopping, squishy showing with you soon. Bye! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up down below and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it if you did. Bye!